Okay, quick overview. So Bjorn Edstrom posted his TrueCrypt Explained back in 2008. All of the, let's say, Python assets that were provided in his blog have been archived and committed to a repository here. You can see that we've respected the timelines and put an archive in there. So basically the repository at this commit has everything that's on the blog here. So there's lots of knowledge and information about how TrueCrypt works, the internals, the autonomy of headers, lots of good information here. So my objective was actually to bring this up to speed for Python 3, learn about the TrueCrypt containers and how they were working back then. So basically the more modern mode is called XTS mode, and I wanted to learn more about the LRW mode. So that was my kind of personal objective here. And while I was going through that learning, I put together this repository to kind of capture the history and then, make some commits that showed, there's a changelog here of basically what I've done to bring it up to, let's say, modern Python, and put in some tests and, yeah, just further my own knowledge and understanding. So let's do a quick demo. Okay, so we've jumped into the repo and we're on the main branch. Now we need a virtual environment. Let's activate the environment. And we see here we're in the venv. And now let's get our prerequisites. Okay, so now we can set a password for one of the test containers, which is the details of here. And then we can actually run a test. So we can see here that we've successfully used the password to decrypt the header. And we have the raw header, parsed header, and the details of the container's header. And then we did some decryption of some of the data inside the container as well, which went into a port log. Okay, let's do some tests. Okay, so we have a depreciation warning for the 2.5 package, but otherwise 11 tests passed. Okay, let's look back in time. Check out this tag. So we're now detached head on that particular commit in or tag in the repository, and we can run this guy. And here we see the Python 2, the original implementation is working too. Okay. Okay, I think that about wraps it up.